I keep hearing about ChatGPT everywhere. People are using it for everything from writing emails to creating presentations, but honestly, I'm not even sure where to start. What exactly is ChatGPT?
Great question. ChatGPT is an AI assistant created by OpenAI that launched in 2022 and sparked the mainstream AI revolution we're experiencing today. Think of it as an incredibly knowledgeable colleague who's available 24/7 to help you with a huge range of tasks. It can write, analyze, create images, search the web, and have natural conversations with you.
So it's basically like having a smart assistant always ready to help?
Exactly. What makes ChatGPT special is its versatility. The GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is the underlying technology. What really matters for you is understanding what it can do in practical, everyday terms.
I've heard people mention different versions like GPT-4 and GPT-5, but what's the difference between them?
Well, GPT has evolved rapidly. It started with GPT-3, then advanced to GPT-4, and as of this filming, we have GPT-5, which is significantly faster and more capable than earlier versions. Each new generation handles complex tasks more effectively and accurately.
You mentioned it can work with multiple types of content. What does that mean exactly?
ChatGPT is what we call multimodal, meaning it can handle various types of input and output seamlessly. You can type questions, upload images, have spoken conversations, even generate custom images. This flexibility makes it incredibly powerful for different use cases.
That's impressive, but I'm also interested in the practical side. What can I actually use it for in my work?
Well, let's break it down into three main categories: create, research, and analyze. For creation, ChatGPT excels at writing everything from business emails to creative stories, generating code, and creating images. It's like having a creative partner who never gets tired. For research, ChatGPT taps into its extensive training knowledge to answer questions and explain complex topics in accessible ways. The higher subscriptions can even search the web in real time, giving you current information beyond the model's training cutoff date.
And the analysis part?
That's where GPT really shines for business applications. You can upload documents, spreadsheets, images, and it can summarize them, answer specific questions about the content, or even identify patterns and insights you might have missed. Again, it's like having an analyst who can process information instantly.